Shaina, the opposition all along has said it is the BJP which taps phones, that the BJP uses Pegasus. These are allegations on your government, Shaina.
Need to please tell me.
I can't answer that. That is the allegation. That is the allegation that even Mr. Bakri is making right now. Mr. Bakri also says, so does opposition, that Pegasus is being used by the BJP.
Something based on evidence are two different things.
So he's saying there's no evidence against KTR, KCR.
I can allege anything, but the reality is there has to be evidence against it. But there is evidence here against KCR, because we know not in one case, in multiple cases, what he's been doing since the 5 months and why he tried to insulate his own daughter against agencies which can act suo moto based on evidence. They are not going to be at the mercy of him.
It is also the drama of the BJP,
no, but you answer that, Mr. Bakri. Shaina has very categorically said that there is no evidence when it comes to a Pegasus. There's been no proof which has come to light. In this case, you have the former, the deputy police commissioner himself giving a confession.
When the BJP is not in...
You have evidence of every single case.
There is evidence in this case, Mr. Bakri.
How many cases he has been misusing his power.
There you have it, Mr. Bakri.
Where is the evidence? Where is the evidence?
You have, if nothing else, your deputy police commissioner of the time giving an admission. There are called log details. All of that has come. You can see the details which are there in his statement.
Giving a confession. The police giving a confession that saying snooping was ordered by the then CM. Is that not evidence, sir?
It is by pressure also.
It is happened by the pressure also. When the Telangana
by pressure you can use anyone.
Where the ED
the BJP are already using
about to arrest his daughter.
So under pressure, if pressure happens, you are saying the same thing, Mr. Bakri. You are saying that BJP is snooping without there being any proof. Now you are saying there is no proof against KCR and KTR. It is only a confession. A confession as a whole means a lot.
Of the Hyderabad task force is Mr. Rao's
he's part of the Hyderabad task force. You were in power when he was part of your state's task force. He's not just anybody. He's the deputy police commissioner, Mr. Bakri.
He wanted to use all kinds of surveillance.
Mr. Bakri, can you answer that?
Madam, you can, hello. Madam, actually you
Shaina
can
will just come to you. Let's listen to Mr. Bakri.
When they use the police officers, they use the IS officer, they use the IPS officer, but they never try, they never show the proof. If the KCR or KTR giving any writing statement or writing orders, you can show. Otherwise, you can only for that it's a blame.
Right now, it's not a blame. It's actually based on the confession. Mr. Bakri, it's based on a confession. You're denying that.
Confession, madam.
You're in denial.
This is threatening.
मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, मैं by pressure ये कह दे रहा हूँ कि मुझे कहा गया कि किसी की मकबरी करो बोल के बोले तो it's a proof.
अच्छा, Shaina, answer that. He says that it's not enough. It's just one statement which is coming in. It is actually the BJP who is guilty of it. Shaina.
BJP does not resort to this kind of politics. We are here on a vision plan of our Prime Minister and we continue to work on that Pragati. These are the people who raise these kind of flags. They misuse systems, misuse administration, and these admissions are not that of us. These are people from within the system. If you have somebody from the Hyderabad task force saying how he was asked to close a ED case to safeguard his daughter, Miss Kavita, is that not worrisome? If there are conclusive evidence to say that BJP leaders were targeted and tried to be snooped the whole time, is that not conclusive evidence? And this is not us saying so. This is somebody from within the system.
I'll concede that point to you. This is not the opposition making allegations, which was the case in the Pegasus. But clearly, Mr. Bakri is not on the same page here. Unfortunately, we are running out of time. But thank you so much, Shaina NC, for joining us, as well as Mir Inayat Ali Bakri for joining us. The BRS, of course, maintains that there is no proof. This is under pressure that the IPS officer has given this confession and nothing more. We'll have to wait and see if the probe really uncovers the truth behind phone tapping. Without a short break, stay tuned.